By 2050, over 1 million species could face extinction. But what if that future was preventable? What if, instead of mourning vanishing wildlife, we witnessed their revival? Welcome to the world we could build, the future of animal conservation. Today, the battle to protect Earth's biodiversity is at a tipping point. Forests fall at the rate of 10 million hectares per year. Habitats vanish, taking thousands of species with them. Climate change is warming oceans, shifting seasons, and altering food chains. And across continents, illegal wildlife trade flourishes, worth $20 billion annually, rivaling drugs and weapons. Dedicated scientists and activists fight daily to preserve what remains, but the challenges are immense. Limited funding, fragmented policies, and shrinking wild spaces threaten their mission. But a revolution is unfolding, driven by technology. AI-powered camera traps now monitor species in real time, alerting rangers when poachers are near or when endangered animals appear. Drones fly above remote landscapes, mapping migration, tracking deforestation, and delivering critical aid during natural disasters. Genetic science is unlocking new frontiers. With CRISPR and synthetic biology, we're reviving endangered genes, and even discussing the ethical revival of extinct species. Satellites now trace herds from orbit, measuring ecosystem health by analyzing temperature, vegetation, and movement, data impossible to collect manually. Conservation is no longer limited to boots on the ground. It's now a battle fought in code, clouds, and the stars. Technology alone can't save our planet. It takes unity. From the UN's 30 by 30 plan, protecting 30% of Earth's land and ocean by 2030, to the global ban on high-risk wildlife trade zones, policy is becoming the lifeline for species survival. Local and indigenous communities are emerging as guardians of biodiversity, bringing centuries of ecological wisdom to modern strategies. They don't just conserve the land, they live with it. More than 100 countries now participate in data sharing for conservation. Global collaboration is no longer optional, it's essential. Imagine it's the year 2050. The Sumatran tiger, once on the brink, now walks free in expanded habitats. Coral reefs, once bleached white, are restored with lab-grown supercorals resilient to warming seas. Whale populations have rebounded. Ocean sanctuaries stretch across continents. Children learn about extinct species not through sad stories, but through virtual reality revivals and living sanctuaries rebuilt by science. Cities coexist with nature. Green rooftops, biocorridors, and smart lighting protect nocturnal species. Humanity no longer just observes wildlife. We live alongside it. It's not utopia, but it's possible, if we continue what we've started and refuse to settle for loss. This future begins with you. Whether you plant a tree, support a sanctuary, share a voice, or inspire others, you're part of the solution. Protect, restore, rewild. Support conservation today. Because saving animals is saving the story of life itself. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. Let's make sure there's still a wild to give them. If you found this journey into the future of conservation meaningful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us reach more people who care about the planet. And it keeps you connected to stories that matter. Together, we can protect life on Earth. One voice, one action, one story at a time.